Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have a speaker for you guys. This is the Mirtune S100 that was sent out to us by Tronsmart for us to review it and take a look at it. So a big thank you to them for sending this out. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the box. Well, actually, before we take it out of the box, we'll just take a look at the box, kind of show some pictures of the speakers here. Nothing too special. Doesn't really give too much. I guess on the back, it does say that it has impressive, rich audio, vibrant light show, IPX7, waterproof, 20 hours of playtime, stereo pairing, and customized EQ via the app. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box and see what we get. So here we go. We have a nice little manual. Got our speaker. And that's pretty much it. Check it out. Nice. Tronsmart. Cool. So you have a nice little manual. Tronsmart. And Tronsmart makes some cool manuals, some colored, cool looking manuals just like this that kind of fold out. Just shows you pretty much everything you need to know about it, what all the different buttons do, what all the different ports are, and everything on a speaker. Pretty nice. It also talks about the app that you can download from the Play Store or from the App Store, which is the Tronsmart app. You have your little Sound Pulse technology card here. And that basically just says that they have some type of special technology that makes the speaker sound better when you use Sound Pulse right here. Then you have your Tronsmart warranty card. You basically have a 1-year warranty, and if you register it, you're going to get an additional 6 months. So you get a year and 6 months warranty. And then you have your nice little USB-C charging cable here. So this is everything that comes in the box right here. You have your speaker, of course. You have your warranty card, your Sound Pulse card, your manual, and your USB-C cable. So here's the speaker. It is pretty nice here. You have the Tronsmart badge here in the front. You have all of your buttons here. You have your power, your Bluetooth, your Sound Pulse. You have volume down, play, pause, and volume up. Nice little grill here. It's like fabric, pretty nice. So here in the back panel, you have your USB-C charging port. You have your USB-A port for charging external devices and also for playing music from a flash drive. And you have a micro SD card reader, which also allows you to play music from a micro SD card, as well as your 3.5mm aux jack for plugging in external devices via a 3.5mm cable. Pretty cool. Now, in order for this to be IPX7 waterproof like it is supposed to be, this has to be completely sealed, completely closed, just like that. And around the side, you have your passives right here. Pretty nice on both sides. And last but not least, you have this cool little handle that you can pull up, carry your speaker around. And if you want to push it down, it can just go flat just like that. And then, of course, on the bottom, nice little slip resistant rubber pad on the bottom there for you as well. So we have the black and we have the blue. So as you can see what the blue looks like, pretty cool. I really like this blue color, really nice looking. Same thing, everything is the same except for the color, and it's really nice. I mean, the build quality feels pretty sturdy, pretty solid. They both have the nice little handles, pretty cool. Just carry them around. And if you have two of these speakers, you're able to connect them in TWS, which is true wireless stereo, which is really nice because then you can actually have a true left and a true right channel, which makes for true wireless stereo. Okay, what we're going to do right now is we're going to get these speakers connected to Bluetooth, but we're actually going to do it in the form of TWS. So now the way that you're supposed to pair these together in true wireless stereo is you power them both on. So let's power on this one first. Power this one on second. And you can see the lights are both flashing. And now on your primary speaker, what you're supposed to do is hold down the Bluetooth button. Now what I've noticed is that it doesn't tend to work like right away. Figured it would work a little bit faster, but let's just go ahead and hold it down and see how this does it. So you hold down the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. And there we go. Now it's actually paired. And once they're paired in TWS, your primary speaker is going to continue blinking like this one is right here, as you can see right there. And the one that is a secondary is going to be a solid light just like that. So when you look for it in your device, it's going to be called the Tronsmart Mirtune S100, kind of a long name. And yes, you can rename that in Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and pair to it. And there we go, we're paired. So both speakers are paired now. You see the lights, they should be going together on both of the speakers. Okay, so your primary speaker is going to be your left channel and your secondary is going to be your right channel. We just verified that. And you can see on the side, this does have some lighting modes to it. You just single press the power button. It goes to the different lighting modes. So there are 3 lighting modes on the speakers. And I kind of like, I believe it was the middle lighting mode that kind of goes with the music a little bit. So we'll just leave it right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at what they have inside of the app. So we're just going to kind of go through the app real quick. So as you can see, when you get on the primary screen of the app, you do see your speaker here, the Tronsmart Mirtune S100. We click on that. It's searching. And here we go, it has found it. And so now inside of the app, we can go ahead and go to the different settings. So up here you have auto power off, update firmware, disconnect, and user manual, which is kind of nice to have that user manual on here. And you also have your play, pause, backwards and forwards. It shows you're connected to Bluetooth, your battery percentage. And then down here you have your settings. You have your play modes, Bluetooth, aux, and your TF card or micro SD card. Also your U-Disc or your USB-A device. And here you can see that they're in stereo pairing mode right now. You have your LED mode, so you have deep breath. Actually, you have fashion party right here. This is fashion party. This one is deep breath. And then you also have carousel. I kind of like the deep breath, so we're going to just leave it on that mode. And then what else do we have here? We also have voice prompt, so it tells you, like, I guess if it's turning on, if it's turning off. So that's kind of cool. And I think that's pretty much it. Does it have anything else in here? Oh, you do have something else. You have music presets, so that's kind of cool. So default, you have your sound pulse, which is probably what we're going to be using. That's that sound pulse technology that allows the music to be boosted and set up in a special manner. They have a certain chip inside of this device that allows it to supposedly sound clearer and better when using sound pulse. Then we have deep bass, classical, rock, and customized, where you can actually make your own EQ right here, however you want to tune it. So that's pretty nice. So we'll leave it on sound pulse for right now. And let's see what else we have in here. And besides that, we just have home. That's pretty much it. That's everything in the app right there. Specifications for the Tronsmart Mirtune S100s. The speakers, you have two 10-watt 1.25-inch tweeters. There are no mids, and one 30-watt 2.75-inch by 3.6-inch racetrack woofer. Wattage is 50 watts. Frequency response is 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Weighs approximately 2.5 pounds. Dimensions are approximately 9.25 inches long by 4 inches wide by 4.25 inches tall. Charge time is about 4.5 hours, and that gives you up to 20 hours of playtime, and that is with the LED lights off and volume at about 50%. Connections are USB-C, USB-A, micro SD card slot, and an aux 3.5 millimeter port. These speakers are IPX7 waterproof with the door completely closed. The app used is the Tronsmart app, and extras, they do include a built-in mic for hands-free calling. I want to show you how these passives move right here on the Mirtune S100. So we're going to just play a track here. We're going to see how these little passive speakers bump. Here we go. Let's hit it. Now we're going to play a few tracks so you can see what these speakers sound like. We're going to be playing them at 70% volume and alternating between TWS and single speaker mode. So please just sit back and enjoy the music.
that I hurt feelings. It is hard to be found when no one's looking. I am feeling left out and I keep screaming. No one ever understands it. Feels like I became Atlantis. Hidden from the world, I'm looking for a way.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. Go along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
My final thoughts for the Tronsmart Mirtune S100 speakers. I really don't think that they're a bad speaker at all. I think they have some reasonably decent sound quality, especially for the vocals. They are a little bit lacking in the deep bass department though. So if you're going to compare them to like a JBL Charge 5 or a JBL Flip 6, you're going to notice that the JBL does have some deeper bass that kind of resonates a little bit better. On the S100s, they just really don't have that deeper bass. They have some punchy bass in them and they do sound reasonably good. And in TWS mode, they obviously sound even better. And for the price right now, they're running on Amazon for roughly about $70 with the coupon and $79.99 with a 20% off coupon. And so, I mean, even if you were going for a Flip 6, you're talking about a minimum of 100, or if you're going for a Charge 5, they're around 140. So for about half the price of a Charge 5, you can get one of these Mirtune S100s, and it is a decent speaker, IPX7 waterproof, and build quality is pretty good. And they look pretty nice as well, especially with the little lighting here around the passives. So if you are interested in purchasing one of these speakers, I will have a link in the description where you will be able to get it from. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links, since anything you purchase will generate a small commission for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.